Okay, I'm back with you. This is part two of the installation of the right side timing chain and guides. And my phone cut off. I got a text message and my phone just cut off on me. But what we were doing is we were putting our colored links on our crankshaft sprocket and put our colored links on our intake sprocket. Well, exhaust sprocket, and put our colored links on our intake sprocket. Okay, let me slide that up a little bit. Okay, it needs to come up just a little bit. It needs to back up just a little bit. Okay, but the way to back this up is I'm gonna just stick a screwdriver in here and bag up the tooth just a little bit. Be very careful, don't put any pressure that you don't exert any pressure that you don't need on here. Just enough to bag it up a little bit, that's all. Okay. Bag it up a little bit more. Okay, that's on there. That's on there. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good. Okay, now what you're going to do is make sure all your timing marks are there, okay? You're going to go back and check your timing marks on this sprocket. And I'm going to just point them out to you without sticking my big head in the way. Okay, at the bottom here, I don't know if you can see it, but there's your white tooth there. White tooth there, okay? There's your colored link. Your colored link here. Okay. I need to bag it down just a little bit on the tooth off, okay? I'm gonna bag it off just a little bit. And I'm gonna turn it counterclockwise, just a tooth. Just one tooth, that's all. That's not gonna hurt it. Okay. Okay. All right, that's it. That's it there. Okay, I got my color link on it there, on the crankshaft sprocket. I got my color link right there on the exhaust sprocket. I got my brown color link right here on the intake sprocket, okay? Now, you want your slack towards your tensioner side. All your slack towards this side where your tensioner is going to go. Okay, now we have already lubed this up, and be careful when you put it on, don't drop it, because that hard plastic on that shoe sometimes it's hard and brittle, okay? And depending on what it drops on, you can smash it. Okay, got that already, ready to go. Now my tensioner is right there. I gotta get my 2 bolts to put off in my tensioner. Okay, I'm back with you. Here's my tensioner is. Okay, put one of my bolts in the tensioner. There's my other. Bring this up. And these tensioners are identical tensioners. They're not two different brands or two different. They're not made different. They're identical. So in other words, you can put this tensioner here and that tensioner there. Okay, I got that one in. I think I'm going to feel a little resistance on this bolt here, but I have it started. But I'm gonna screw the bolt in slowly with my ratchet here. Okay, I started both bolts in. Okay, and let's snug them up. Snug them up. Okay, both of them are snugged up. There we go. There we go. Okay, now I pull the pin. I'm going to pull the pin on my tensioner here, and you can hear a little snap. There we go, and there's my pin. Okay, now this here, when I turn this to the right just a little bit to get the slack out of this side here, or I tell you what, I'm gonna bag it up just a little bit on my exhaust sprocket. You know, you don't want to go cranking up on it hard or bagging it up all the way, but if you just move it back just a little bit, it's okay. I just want to get the slack from this side over here. That's all I want to do. See it snap in place right there. All your slack is out of here. That's tight. All your slack here is tight. Is your tensioner. Got it tight on this side. Okay, let's check your marks one more time. Exhaust mark here. You got the cover link there. Intake mark, which is at 5 o'clock. This is at 12 o'clock. This is at 5 o'clock. Right there. This here is at 8 o'clock on your crankshaft sprocket. That's 8 o'clock. So everything is in time, my friend. So it is suggested to make two 360 degree turns, which is 2 full turns, okay? And check your marks again, okay? Okay, I'm gonna look at my keyway, bring it back over to 3 o'clock one time, which is right there, and bring it back to 3 o'clock one more time, which is right here. That's at 3 o'clock, your keyway. Your timing mark on your crank is at 8 o'clock. Okay, now check your timing marks again, okay? To be thorough. Your exhaust is supposed to be at 12 o'clock. There it is. Your intake is supposed to be at 5 o'clock. There it is. Now check your left side, okay? Your intake is supposed to be at your intake is supposed to be at 12 o'clock. Intake's supposed to be at your intake is supposed to be at 12 o'clock, but it's supposed to be at 12 o'clock on the when your keyway is at 11 o'clock position over here. And when your keyway is at 11 o'clock, this mark here gonna be straight up and down at not 12 o'clock. I'm sorry. Your intake mark is gonna be at 9 o'clock when your keyway is at 11 o'clock. And this mark gonna be at 2 o'clock. So 9 o'clock and 2 o'clock. Okay. So let's well, I should have checked this side first, but I didn't. So let's go 2 complete revolutions one more time. Bring this back up to, where it go? 11 o'clock. Now there we go right there, 11 o'clock. How do I know that key wave is at 11 o'clock? Put your mark back there. That's 12 o'clock, that's 11. Your timing marker on your intake is at 9 o'clock. Your exhaust is at 2 o'clock. And you tighten all your bolts here. All your bolts goes to 25 Newton meters, which is 221 inch-pound. Tighten up all your bolts to that. And my friend, that concludes the timing of a 2.5 liter 6-cylinder air aspirated engine that goes into a 2002 Jaguar. If you like this video, I appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up. Maybe you can like and subscribe, and there will be other great videos coming from me. That's all from Memphis, Tennessee, my friend. I'm Rock, the professional garage guy. Thanks for watching.